Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, 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 welcome to your favorite channel. Welcome, welcome. This is Nikki Beauty Products, where we display and showcase organic products. I mean, products that are non-toxic, products that are herbal, products that are made from pure natural ingredients. In other words, products that are as good as the food you take. So if you can eat your food every day, you can take these products every day and you can use them every day without long-term side effects and without any damage to yourself, to your body. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're just joining, thank you for stopping by. If you're one of my subscribers or one of those who just jump in, watch a product demo and jump out, welcome, okay? But don't forget to like and subscribe. A lot of us, we just watch a video, we enjoy the video, and then I get people messaging me and they're like, oh, I watched your video, and and then the first thing I'm like, did you like it? Oh, I forgot. Hello. If you like a video, please encourage the post by just liking it. It's free. YouTube don't charge you for liking. Even Facebook, Instagram, they don't charge for liking. Support, support your ladies, support your friends. If you see something you like, it makes you laugh, or you gain some form of knowledge, from just watching the video, it's nice to just like, So because I ask people, did you like? I forgot. Some people forget to subscribe and they're like, oh my gosh, I've got to go back there and subscribe. So please, don't just watch the video, like it, and don't just watch the video and jump off. Like and subscribe, okay? So the algorithm, or whatever they call it, can see you liking my posts, my videos, and can push it so more people can look at the videos and love the videos, isn't it? Okay, so and benefit obviously from whatever it is, because trust me, there's somebody out there who needs organic products, who need products that are not chemical based, products that do what they say they do, and products they can rely on, and even take on the long term, without the fear of, oh my God, what's going to happen to me, blah, blah, blah. So yes, whenever you see me like this, what are we about to do? Those who are regular, if you have been jumping to watch my product demos, what are we doing? Unboxing. My favorite part of the day, when I come and I just ease out with my unboxing. I haven't done this for some weeks because I've been so busy with Nickel Fashions, running things to Nickel Fashions and doing, it's summertime, it's a busy time for Nickel Fashions. So I'm having to deal with Nickel Fashions, so I haven't been doing a lot of the opening. So I've got loads and loads. If I need to open all the parcels we have, we're going to be here all day. So I'm not going to do that to you, okay? So I just have 4 boxes here. I've got another four there. 4 is just scattered all over, okay? So as I go along, I'm just going to be like, So let's go. This is the first one. It says all sealed. I'm trying to see which side of it to open now. Which would you reckon is the top? Which one would you reckon is the top of it? I don't know. So just rip it anyway, innit? My instincts are always right, so let me believe this is the top of the box. My instincts never fail me, Trust your instinct, they say, innit? So let's do this. Trust me, I don't know what I'm expecting in any of these boxes, but I know that, I don't know which is in which box, but I know that I'm expecting some products. That's a better way to put it. I know I'm expecting some products, but I don't know which one is in any of the boxes, Oh dear, our toothbrush. Some of you know we do health and beauty products, personal lifestyle products. Some of you, amongst our personal lifestyle products, we have toothpaste, okay? Trust me, this is the best toothpaste you would use. I know you'll be like, oh, everything she says is the best you use. Why not? Because it's the truth, you know? It's the truth, you know? This has been specifically manufactured for you, you know? And one of the things I like about Atomy toothbrush, okay, is the bristles, okay? They repel bacteria. You know, your normal brush, you put it in your brush cup or your whatever you use, you know, to keep your brush in your bathroom. You put it there and it can attract germs, you know, just leaving it exposed. But this, the material that has been used for the bristles actually repels bacteria. So, and then when you use it, the thickness of the brush itself is not too soft and it's not too hard. Just the right, just what your teeth needs to be healthy, okay? So this is a good one, all right? I have it in my home. It's just not sure, about £8 a pack or so. Yeah, but it's very, very affordable, you know, very affordable. All right, so hook me up. If this is something you would like to have at home, just hook me up, hook me up. Let's look at the next one. The next one is marine eye patch. This one is for them people like me. If I've worked so hard and I haven't had a good sleep, trust me, I start having dark circles around my eyes. Can I get a witness? You know, ladies, you know, I think it's mostly common amongst ladies, you know. You just have these dark patches around your eyes, you know, and it happens when I'm so tired, I've worked so hard, I've not been sleeping well, you know, so there's a strain, you know, and then you can use this. This is the Atomy Marine Eye Patch, okay? Guess what? I'm gonna be doing a demo on this real soon, you know, and then you just put the eye patch round, you know, all the places that are affected where you really want to work on, you put it. Don't worry, a demo coming soon. So that's my first one done. Let's look at the second one. I don't know what we have here. Put that there. Let's look at the second one. Yeah, sealed. Let's look at what we have here. I think I can guess. I might have some iron here, some maybe Sophora. I may have some Sophora Queen. I showed you Sophora Queen the last time. Yeah. Woo! Here we go. Go sleep. I know you can't see it properly, so I'm gonna bring it out for you. This is Atomy Sophora Queen for my queens. You know, I done this the last time, and guess what? Don't worry, a product demo is coming very soon for this one. This is Sophora Queen for my queens. And you know why I call them my queens? This is for pre and post menopausal, you know, symptoms. Okay, so ladies from maybe 45, you're approaching 50, and you start getting those menopausal symptoms, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. The hot flushes, cold one minute, hot the other minute, and hair loss, lack of sleep at night, and so many other symptoms and weight gain, and so many other things that come with menopause, you know. Well, guess what? Menopause doesn't have to be terrible. It doesn't have to be horrible. You know, there are ways, okay, to manage them symptoms. Okay, get your Sophora Queen. All right, for my ladies. All right, so I've got 2 packs of this just coming. Guess what? These are sold out, but obviously you know what to do if you want one. Check me up on WhatsApp. Okay, connect me on WhatsApp. Okay, and I'll tell you how you can get this. I mean, delivered straight to your door in the comfort of your own home. All right, it's lovely. And then let's look. What else do we have? Oh, Atomy body care lotion. I love this. My son's favorite body care lotion. My son's favorite. Look at that. It's my son's favorite. This helps you. If you have dry skin, go for this. And I mean it. My son has been using this for months now. Oh my gosh, you need to see his skin glowing, you know. So I would recommend this for you if you've got dry skin. Okay, it's lovely. I love it. A soft and smooth body from head to toe with Atomy Body Care Lotion, enriched with fresh herbs, tangerine oil, and apple juice. Leaves skin feeling and looking healthier. Remember, I told you all our products are organic, all our products are plant-based. You know, you cannot go wrong. Okay, there's no long-term damage to your skin or anything. Okay, what this does, it will just moisturize your skin, give you a nice skin tone and glow. This is a good one to watch. I always have it, you know. So that's Atomy Body Care Lotion. All right, if you want it, you know what to do. Connect with me on WhatsApp and I will tell you how to get it delivered straight to your door. Okay, easy as ABC. Oh, I take this when you get to a certain age. Yeah, you need to take some kind of supplements. Trust me, this is Atomy Smart Memory Up. I ordered this for myself. This is not for one of my customers. No, this is for myself now because I've been taking it for the past 4 months and I know it's really helped me, okay? Atomy Smart Memory Up, okay? When you're getting to a certain age, you just want to keep this up, you know? So my last one is running low now. So I just, this is more like a repeat purchase for me. And guess what? First time delving into the lipstick. This is my first time actually. You know, I have, yeah, it's the lipstick, isn't it? Yeah, it is. How do you open this? See. You know, I just thought, okay, why not? Let me try the lipstick. And it's my first time buying it. So, okay, I see how it's open now. Look, it's my first time. I just said, let me try the, you know, the lipstick. Because if you can see my lips, you know my lipstick is running low. And then when I put it, it's all like, yeah, you know, because it's running low. I just try to, you know. And I said, no, Lois, let this go. Go get yourself another lipstick. That's why I ordered this. And guys, ladies, see, it's beautiful. So I'm going to try it. Okay. And I don't want to mix it with the old one. You don't mix old and new. Nah. So the day I try it, I'm going to like say, oh, remember that my lipstick that I bought? Here you go. Yeah, so this is a nice one to have, okay? So we do, like I said, we do beauty products as well. We do food, we do fashion, you know? So these are lovely products. Please, if you want any of these products, you know what to do. Contact me on WhatsApp and it will be on the way to you. Easy as ABC. Third, let's look at this. What do we have here? What do we have here? I'm getting used to opening this now. I'm really, oops, I don't need the wrong way. Guys, I don't need the wrong way. Oh dear. Okay, guys, what do we have here? I think I can guess. Atomy Herbal Shampoo. Ooh, the best shampoo you will ever use. Atomy Herbal, let me bring it closer. Herbal Hair Shampoo. Atomy Herbal Hair Shampoo. And I like it because it's a big size. Okay? Let me bring it out so you see it properly. Woo! And look at that packaging. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Herbal Hair Shampoo. Those of you who have dandruffs, hair conditions, you know, on your scalp conditions that you don't understand what's going on, you know, please, you need this. And then this is the Atomy Herbal Body Cleanser. Okay, I bought this, it's running low, so I had to restock. So this is my one. This is not for my customers, this is my one, but obviously I'm just showing you. So this is Atomy Herbal Body Cleanser, another top quality product, one of our best sellers. Okay, this is another good one to have. Okay, We've got the shampoo, we've got the body cleanser, and we've also got the, what's the other one? The conditioner. So you have a complete set in this, all right? If you can buy the complete set, ooh la la, man, come back and say thank you, all right? So this is a good one to have. Obviously, product demo coming very soon. And this is, what did I, oh, this is the Cell Active Ampoule. This is mine. I have the absolute set, which I talked about in my last video. But the ampoule, I'm running low on the ampoule. So I said, okay, I'm going to just order the ampoule. I don't need the complete set because I have all the other parts of the set. But I wanted the ampoule, which is this. This is the actual one in that absolute set that does the de-aging. Okay? Our Absolute Skin Cell set is a set that has been tried, tested, and proven to actually make you look 10 years visibly younger, okay? So, don't ask me how old I am because I'm not going to tell you, because every time I tell people my age, they're like, oh, it's a lie, you're kidding, you don't mean it. Oh, I get all sorts of, so this is the de-aging serum. This one is a no-brainer, okay? You can buy it, use it on its own, or you can buy it as the complete set, okay? And let everything get the benefit of everything working for you, okay? I'm running low on this, so I had to just order this, okay? This is the one that actually does the de-aging and makes you look younger. Ooh, I love it. This is the ampoule. It's called the ampoule. All right. Now, last but not the least. Last but not the least. Let's see. What do we have here? Last but not the least. Oh, I've got the small sample packs of the Propolis toothpaste, my favorite product, my favorite lifestyle, personal lifestyle product in Atomy. This is the small pack, 50-gram tube Propolis toothpaste, okay? I give this as samples to people and they come back and like, wait, sorry, how can I get that toothpaste? That toothpaste you gave me, how can I get it? You know, and I laugh, I'm like, okay, it's just a free registration online. Okay, register free online and you can shop in the comfort of your own home anytime you want. So click that WhatsApp, click it, you know, get in touch with me on WhatsApp and I'll tell you how you go about your registration, and then you shop at home anytime you want. Okay, it's free registration, no charges, nothing, no hidden cost anywhere. Just register free and then you can shop, you know, anytime you want, basically. Okay, so that's what I've got here. Okay, these are my samples. I want to send them out, okay, because I have people who like, okay, I would really like to try that toothpaste. Oh, let me bring it out. This pack is already open, so let me just bring it out. See, they're like 50 gram tubes, okay? Propolis toothpaste made from active ingredients, catechin, which is the active ingredient in green tea, and propolis is that, you know, the brownish jelly-like substance I always say around the beehives. You know, they have very strong antibacterial properties, you know, prevents tooth decay, prevents dental cavities, prevents plaque, bad breath, you know, mouth ulcers, and just name it. It's a good one to have because of, obviously, it's very, very, it's a natural product, you know, so it's a good one to have, all right? This is what my family use. I'm telling you, if you use this toothpaste, you will come back and ask for more, all right? Thank you. I think this is about the last one now, okay? This is about the last one. So, I'm just going to do a proper product demo now in my next video because I don't want to make this too long. It's already too long anyway, but please forgive me, pardon me. So, I'm going to do another product demo right now, right away, okay? So, stay with me. Don't go away. Don't touch that dial until I see you in my next video. I love you. Stay out of trouble.